In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube automation business from scratch so you can start making a few $1,000s per month passively. And when I say passively, I mean it. This business can be completely automated, hence the name YouTube automation. How it works is you create a faceless YouTube channel where the script writing, thumbnail creation, editing, and posting can all be done for you thanks to the power of artificial intelligence and Fiverr. So all you really need to do is create a YouTube channel in a profitable niche, and over time the money will start flowing into your bank account if you post great content consistently. The first step to creating a successful YouTube automation business is picking a profitable niche. And although it's true you can make lots of money posting any type of content, there are specific niches that pay way more than others. So I'd highly recommend starting with one of these three niches. First up is finance. Finance is by far the most profitable niche on YouTube because our CPM is the highest, which means we make the most money per 1,000 views on YouTube. For example, most videos make $1 to $3 per 1K views, comedy and lifestyle channels make $2 to $5, makeup and beauty make $8 to $12, and finance makes $15 to $120. Like if we look at this investing app video I made, you can see the CPM is $77, but that's what YouTube gets, not us. Creators get the RPM, which is $44 in this case. That's 20 times better than the majority of channels on YouTube, and why picking a profitable niche is so important. And besides the great CPM, finance channels also get paid way more from sponsors, affiliates, and it's very easy to promote your own company on a finance channel, like a course, a book, or really anything that can help the audience make money. The second niche is technology. Technology CPM is around $8 to sometimes $40, which is incredible. And like finance, it's very easy to get high-paying sponsorships, affiliates, or launch your own tech brand once your audience is big enough. The third niche is a top 10 channel. And although top 10 channels don't have a super high CPM, they will probably make more money than any other YouTube channel due to the virality of their content. It's so easy for a top 10 biggest water parks or top 10 scariest movie scenes video to go viral, which means way more views and way more money. But keep in mind, these are only recommendations. You could succeed in any niche if you wanted to. So choose a niche, create a YouTube channel for it, and now let's get into step 2, which is deciding what videos you want to make. Alright, now that your niche is chosen and your new YouTube account is created, it's time to pick what style of videos you want to make. Now, of course, they will all be faceless with B-roll and a voiceover, but you can make a million different style videos within a niche. So what you need to do is dial down what your content will consist of. Like in the finance niche, it could be cryptocurrency, a channel that talks about profitable side hustles, a channel for recent finance news, etc. There's unlimited videos to make, but you need to choose the style of video you think will receive the most views, because more views equals more money. So what you need to do is spend an hour or two researching what type of content does the best in your niche, how easy would it be for you to create, can you make the videos like someone else but better, etc. Like in this video, I'm going to create a top 10 channel to walk you through all the steps. So I'd look up top 10 videos on YouTube, watch a few, write notes on what I like and don't like about each channel, then combined all the likes to create my channel. So let's say I enjoyed a top 10 scariest facts channel and a channel about animals. I could combine the two and base my channel off scary or shocking things that happen to animals. And this is where most people go wrong with YouTube automation. They think they should start creating the video because they have their channel set up and a video idea. Wrong! Before any YouTube video is created, you need to come up with a good title and thumbnail. Because if your title and thumbnail suck, that means no one will watch the video, which means it was completely useless to make it. So starting with the title, you should look up what similar channels do in your niche, then slightly tweak an already viral title to what your video is about. Like if I wanted to make a video about the 10 scariest ocean animals, I'd look up 10 scariest animals on YouTube, find a video with a lot of views like this one, then create a similar title. So it'd be something like top 10 scariest sea animals you've never heard of. Or maybe I'd take away the sea part because that makes it longer than it needs to be. So let's go with top 10 scariest animals you've never heard of. And now that we have a great title, we need to create a great thumbnail. There's two ways to do this. One is you create your own thumbnail with Canva or other free applications you can download. Or two, the better option is to pay someone $5 to $15 on Fiverr who already makes great thumbnails. This way you don't have to waste your time and you start the channel off with a banger thumbnail instead of a probably iffy one you'd make.
Wow!
Alright, now that we have a banging title and thumbnail that will get us views, we need to create the video itself, starting with the script. And thanks to our friends over at ChatGPT, this step is super simple. All we have to do is go to ChatGPT or OpenAI Playground if ChatGPT is down, then ask the AI to write a video script on our topic. Write me a YouTube script about the 10 scariest sea animals. Press submit and bam, it will write a great script in seconds. Then you'd copy and paste it in a Google Docs. You can make any slight changes you want. Like if the intro needs to say the name of your channel, add that to the script. Oh, and a secret tip for script writing with AI is to tell the AI to write it in a certain way. Like if your content is scary, add in a scary manner at the end of your input. Doing that makes the script fit the mood way better and will result in better video performance. Step 4 is voiceovering the script. You could do this yourself if you have a good voice, or you could hire someone from a freelancing website to do it for you for 10 to 20 bucks. But one thing you need to keep in mind is when you read the script or when the person you hired reads the script, they need to speak in the correct format for the topic. Because if you have a scary, intense video that's read like, "and that's how Jimmy got all his limbs eaten off by a pack of blood-hungry wolves," at the end, people would click off immediately. So once you ensure the script is read in a way that complements the topic, it's time to edit the video. And thanks to today's sponsor, InVideo, this step is very easy. InVideo has everything you need to create high quality videos in one place. They have over 5,000 customizable templates, 8 million clips of stock footage, and a lot more great features I'll show you as I create the video. Alright, the first step to any good faceless YouTube video is ensuring the audio is edited well. So I'm gonna create a new video project by pressing editor, landscape, and then I'll drag the audio clip in here. And FYI, I voiceovered this in 2 minutes to show you how to do it. A real voiceover would sound way better. Alright, now that you have your audio clip in here, it's time to cut it up and make it sound nice. To do that, place your playhead where a sentence ends and press this split button. Then once you cut out all the sentences, pull them together so there's no gaps in the video and the audio sounds nice. The next step is to add footage to match the audio. You need to ensure what you're talking about is also on screen so viewers have a pleasant viewing and listening experience. To do that, go over to videos on the side, then search for what you're talking about. Like I started my script talking about ocean animals, so I'd search for that, then drag and drop one of these related videos into my timeline. Once you have your clips selected, you can edit them 1 clip per sentence, or really however you think your audience wants. Like a fast-paced video could have 5 clips per sentence, and a slow-paced video only needs 1. So since my video is slower paced, I'd simply trim the clip to the end of a sentence and keep doing that until the video has footage. And now that the foundation of the video is complete, we need to add music and text to make the video even better. Starting with music, just click on InVideo's music tab on the left and scroll through the thousands of songs until you find one or more that fits your video's topic. Once you find one, drag and drop it into your project, adjust the volume to a nice level by pressing volume and fade at the top, then change the decibels and fade as you please. You can add as many songs as you want as the mood changes in your video, but try not to go overboard with like 10 different songs. Then the last thing you can do to make your video better is add some image overlays, text, logos, or effects. But since my video is quite simple and doesn't need all that extra jazz to perform well, you should subscribe to InVideo's YouTube channel because they have super in-depth tutorials that explain how to make the best videos possible, alongside showing you how to create videos way faster with their over 5,000 video templates that do nearly all the work for you. Alright, to add text, press text, add a heading, then adjust the size to what you want it for. Like closed captions to highlight a point in your video, etc. Then trim it to the time it should appear on screen. And once you add the text, you need to sign up for an InVideo paid plan so you can export the video at full HD quality without any watermarks. The paid plan makes the video look super crisp and gives you access to hundreds of dollars worth of incredible stock footage, which allows you to create better videos, which results in more views and money. So once you have your account set up, press export, select best quality, press export again, and bam, you easily created your first video thanks to the power of InVideo. Using their software can indeed make you thousands per month with YouTube automation. And right now when you sign up, you'll get 25% off if you use the code LSF25. So make sure to sign up right now in my description to lock in that great discount. Welcome to another episode of Unbelievable Facts. Today we're going to be discussing the 10 scariest ocean animals. From the depths of the deep blue sea, there lurk creatures that are more terrifying than any anything your imagination can conjure. And now that we have officially completed all parts of creating a YouTube video, we need to combine them and post it. To do that, press upload video on your channel, insert the video, then we need to fill in all these sections. Starting with the description, you should write a few sentences about what the video is about, or use AI to summarize it and paste what it says here. Then to attach the thumbnail to the video, just drag and drop it here. Then scroll down to tags. This is where you enter all the keywords related to the topic of your video so YouTube knows who to promote the video to. Since my video is about the top 10 scariest sea animals, I'd input tags related to that. Then none of this really matters, so press save. Once that's done, you just need to post the video and keep repeating this process until your channel blows up and makes you lots of money. But if you don't think YouTube automation is for you, don't worry, because I teach you 10 other ways to make $1,000 per day in this video. So watch that right now, hit subscribe, and God bless.